Welcome to Octavia Beauty, and I am Octavia. On Octavia Beauty, we are typically all things beauty, makeup, skincare, fragrances, all that good jazz, but sometimes I do throw in some different content on the channel. And today we are going to be doing a look. This would normally be our eyeshadow Friday, but I did film the entire creation of the look because I just feel like you just need to see everything. So today is just a super glam makeup look. I just want to create it for you guys because, you know, it's been a long time since I did a super glam. So if you are interested in these types of videos and would like to see more of this content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Now let's get started into the makeup look. So the first thing I'm doing, you guys, is priming my eyes, and I am priming my eyes with the NYX white eyeshadow base primer, and then I also go over top of that with my Too Faced concealer, and that's just the first step that we take.
You look at me like I'm crazy when I shut my feelings.
So we are going to be using the Jackie Aina Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. The first shade I go into is the shade Ginger, and we take ginger above the brow bone and we just blend ginger out. Now we are going into the shade Supreme and taking Supreme up into a little bit of ginger, but then below Ginger, Supreme is definitely like this bubblegum pink eyeshadow that's in the palette. Is so beautiful.
And the reason why we stay.
Now I am going into the shade Big Wig, which is this deep, beautiful purple shade that's in this palette, and I just kind of drew it on, and then I'm gonna go back and just blend it out. But I kind of carved it out where I wanted the eyeshadow to go, just so I can control it a little bit better and we can get a more of a specific type of a shape. Now I am going to cut a half of crease using my Too Faced concealer, I think in the shade Warm Sand. And you guys, we're going to go into some pigment. So I apologize, this video is going to be heavily edited because in order for me to keep the video from being super long and getting a lot of the important things in here, I have to cut out a lot of the blending. But just know your girl took a long time to create this look.
Real life. Yeah, we're loving the way they think we're so messed up. Even if what we're doing is bad, there's so many emotions, sharing stories that we never had. Yeah, none is real.
So you guys, we are about to go into some of my pigments from J. LaRue, and I am applying eyelash glue because that's just what I like to use to help hold my pigments together. I will use, I think, a combination of at least 3 pigments in this look.
Nobody can see us, still they wanna.
The first pigment I am applying is a J. LaRue pigment, and it is White Diamond, and we're just layering that down first, and then we're gonna lay some more on top of it.
There's something different about us.
So now I am about to go into a chunky glitter pigment. It looks like it's kind of gold and pinkish. I lost the shade off of it. It's not on the bottom of it. So I'm sorry I can't tell you guys what shade this is, but this is like the main pigment for the eyeshadow look. This is the chunky glitter. It's what really gives the eyeshadow its pop. So now guys, I am just repeating the same steps I did on the first eye to do the other eye to match it. I'm not gonna play it all the way through. We're just gonna move on to the other steps of the makeup.
Do you know I'm looking, and I can't help but smile? Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling, I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking?
I pull into your driveway, it's a Saturday night. You look like $1,000,000 wearing that dress I like. You're smiling but there's something missing in your eyes. Girl, I can tell that you have something on your mind. But I will make you forget all your sorrows. Let go like there's no tomorrow. Let's have a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes, I know you're all about the good vibes. Do you know how much I love you, wanna see you smile? Where's that happy girl that I know with a heart on fire? I'll do anything to make it fine, but I can tell that you have something on your mind right now. But I will make you forget all your sorrows. Let go like there's no tomorrow. Let's have a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes, I know you're all about the good vibes. We about the good vibes, all about the good vibes. I will make you forget all your sorrows. Let go like there's no tomorrow. Let's have a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes, I know you're all about the good vibes. Let's have a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes, I know you're all about the good vibes. We are all about the good vibes. We are all about the good times. Dance until it feels alright, all night. We're all about the good vibes, all about the good vibes.
Guys, I am back with the final look. Okay. Now, anybody that knows me for real, I really shy away from purchasing palettes that have, if they are heavy on pink and purple, your girl ain't buying it, because one thing I am not is a pink and a purple girl. But however, I wanted to step out of my comfort zone, do a little pink and purple look, and I think it came out really, really great. And it's been so long since I pulled out a lot of those pigments and a lot of my glitters that I have in my collection. So today was a perfect day to do that, because I wanted to do a super glam look. So I really hope you guys enjoyed it. And yeah, I hope you liked the way that everything came out. Y'all, let me tell y'all, when I was filming this, just so you know, my hair was soaking wet. I had just got finished doing my hair, but I did dry it a little bit with the dryer, but you can see that it is still a little damp. I have low porosity hair, so it takes my hair forever to dry, whether I diffuse it or not. So it air dried some, I diffused it some, and it's still wet. But thank you for joining your girl, and I'm gonna see you guys later. Just make sure you give your girl a big thumbs up, leave me some comments below, and I'm gonna see y'all later. Bye.